Today I'm going to show you how to cancel Starz on Amazon. If you're no longer watching content on Starz or simply want to cut down on monthly subscriptions, this quick process will help you end your membership directly through Amazon's platform. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your Amazon account. Make sure you're logged into the account that has the active Starz subscription, as this is crucial for accessing the right membership settings. After you've signed in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll see a menu labeled Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option and a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, select Memberships and Subscriptions. This section is where Amazon houses all your active memberships, making it easy to manage everything in one place. Once you're in the memberships and subscriptions area, look for the option that says Prime Video Channels and click on it. This will take you to a page dedicated specifically to managing any video channel subscriptions you might have through Amazon Prime Video. Keep in mind that this is separate from your main Prime membership, so you won't accidentally cancel anything else. Now, even though I don't currently have an active subscription to Starz or Prime Video channels, I'm going to walk you through what you would see next. On this page, you'll find a section labeled Your Channels. Under this heading, locate Starz from the list of channels you're subscribed to. It should be clearly visible among any other active channel subscriptions. Next to the Starz listing, you'll see an option that says Cancel Channel. Go ahead and click on that. This action will prompt Amazon to begin the cancellation process for your Starz subscription. After clicking Cancel Channel, a confirmation screen will appear. Here you'll need to click on Cancel My Subscription or whichever confirmation option is displayed. Amazon wants to make sure you're certain about canceling, so they'll ask you to confirm your decision once more. Finally, follow any additional on-screen prompts that may appear. These could include brief surveys asking why you're canceling or offers to pause your subscription instead. Continue through these steps until you see a confirmation message indicating that your Starz subscription has been successfully canceled. This message is your assurance that you won't be billed again for Starz after the current billing period ends. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Starz subscription on Amazon, and you can now manage your streaming services more efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.